Hello student, in this lecture we will discuss another demo experiment, that is determination of pH of sample solution using pH meter. In previous practicals we discuss we determine various types of parameters like hardness of water, alkalinity of water. Hardness of water, alkalinity of water is basically play an important role while selecting the water for industry. Similarly, pH also play an important role while selecting the water for industry, because water is one of the important component of domestic as well as industrial life. Water is used in industry, but while using the water in industry, basically pH, determination of pH of that water sample is another important parameter is to be determined. So what is exactly pH of solution? pH of the solution means it is basically power of hydrogen ion in solution. Power of hydrogen ion in solution, and it is defined as negative logarithm to base 10 hydrogen ion concentration. That means pH is inversely proportional to the hydrogen ion concentration. Then the significance, why we want to go for determination of pH. There is a two significance for basically determining the pH of the water sample. Number one, the pH basically gives the idea about nature of solution, whether solution is acidic, basic or neutral. And second, we can determine the strength of that particular solution, even that acid or base, it may be acidic or basic. So we can determine the strength of solution using the pH. So we can say that nature of solution is determined like pH is equal to 7, then we can say solution is neutral. pH is less than 7, then we can say a solution is acidic. pH is more than 7, then we can say that solution is basic. That means we can determine the nature of solution, whether it is acidic, basic or neutral, on the basis of pH value. The pH scale for water is ranging from 0 to 14. It divided into two segments like 0 to 7 and 7 to 14. The pH is basically less than 7, that solution is acidic. And as we move from 7 to 0, the acidic strength goes on increases, because concentration of hydrogen ion goes on increases and concentration of OH minus goes on decreases. As we move from 7 to 14, the solution become basic, and basic strength goes on increases from 7 to 14. pH exactly 7 is called as a neutral solution, where the concentration of OH and OH minus, H plus ion and OH minus ions are same. Then, as we discussed, the pH is important because water may be alkaline or it may be basically acidic. Both waters are basically harmful for industries because it causes various problems like caustic embezzlement, which is basically type of corrosion which caused due to use of highly alkaline water. Similarly, acidic water is also responsible for corrosion, that may responsible for basically different industrial problems, and that's why before using water into industry, we are basically determining, we can finding various parameters like hardness, alkalinity as well as pH of water sample. So this is pH meter, which basically consists of this is electrode called as a glass electrode, which is basically a membrane sensitive electrode which count the hydrogen ion present in given water sample, because pH is inversely proportional to the hydrogen ion concentration. So here we are basically finding how many number of hydrogen ion present in given sample. So this electrode is basically used to sense hydrogen ion in a solution. That's why it is called as a membrane sensitive electrode, or simply a glass electrode. So this is pH meter, which basically having a calibration mode where we can calibrate the instrument. This is temperature, because pH is also depend upon the temperature, and this is the basically device which used for two purposes, either determination of pH as well as a potential of solution. That's why there is a basically two modes were there, pH mode as well as potential mode here. See, this experiment we performed in two stages. First is a calibration of instrument, that is simply standardization of instrument. For a standardization of instrument or calibration of instrument, we are using a buffer solution because pH of the buffer is constant. So here we are using three types of buffer, that is buffer having pH 4, buffer having pH 7, and buffer having pH 9. Here we are using basically for standardization pH buffer solution which having pH 4. Say now this instrument is now on standby mode because हमें pH डिटरमाइन करना है एंड हमने इस पर्टिकुलर इसमें 4 pH का बफर हम लोग यूज कर रहे हैं फॉर स्टैंडर्डाइजेशन ऑफ इंस्ट्रूमेंट. See now, so we can standardize first instrument by putting this particular electrode into the solution which having pH 4. Here we are basically set the temperature, it's around 26 degrees Celsius temperature. Then the pH of solution is 4 because we take a standard solution. So we basically calibrate the instrument to obtain pH 4. Now see, this instrument is ready. Now this instrument is ready for determination of pH. This is after standardization of instrument. We will take two readings for two water sample. One is tap and another is water sample. So first we take tap water and then we determine the pH of tap water. The value is around 8 point is a 9.02. Then another water sample we consider for determination of pH, and pH of the solution is it is around 9.20. So we determine the pH of two water sample. We have tap water and water sample. The tap water pH is around 8.76 and pH for water sample is 9.20. So both the water samples is alkaline water.